Hey everyone, day 22, and today we're jumping into lazy clutter. Stop yelling, stop shouting. I know that this is the one that just gets under your skin and irritates you more than anything. These are the things that just seem, for whatever reason, to get out of control. Paperwork, kids' toys, clothes, the laundry, you name it, I've seen it. We've been there together in the last 8 years tackling that kind of lazy clutter that gathers in your home. So here's what I want you to do. Look, just make a list of the areas where stuff gets out of control, stuff that's irritating and annoying. Because starting tomorrow, we're going to look at those areas one by one in a similar way to we've done in the last 8 years, but look also at the systems, the reasons, the processes, the mindsets that stop you staying on top of being organised. This will be fun, this will be quick, 10 minutes a day, make a list, I'll see you here tomorrow.